Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how I updated my old, worn and very scruffy laminate worktop. I'm splitting this into two videos, with part one being how to achieve the look, and later I'll post part two, which will show how to seal it. Guys, prep, and good prep at that, is so important. Do not skip it. While it's not essential, I do recommend using steel wool. It's brilliant. You will need 2 paper plates or something similar that you don't care about. Your chosen paint. The paint I was using could go on any surface, so I didn't need primer. If you're using normal paint, you will definitely need to prime. And you'll also need, obviously, your trusty plastic bag. So just lightly press down. You don't need to really press in, you're just lightly adding in your colour. And then when you want another colour, you don't actually need to change the bag. So I'm going to go in with some tiny bit lighter and just make sure you're dabbing off the excess. So obviously I'm just showing you guys, I'm actually going to do a kind of one colour at a time. I just want to give you an idea. And then the white. I do wish I had a bit of black, even though I know there's black. I know the whole countertop is black, but I might still get a bit just to add in some more depth to it. Now this looks absolutely crazy at the moment, and it might still look crazy at the end, but sure, you know. It's worth the bash if it was going in the bin anyway. I do actually love the white. I think this as well, instead of me going for a plain colour, I'd actually originally chosen this one, as I was going to just paint the whole thing that colour. But I think when it's like this, it's not going to show up kind of, you know, when there's little crumbs, and if some of it does kind of get marked. I don't know, because I haven't done this before. But yeah, you kind of get the idea. I reckon it'll probably take 2 layers, so I'll do the whole thing and then come back tomorrow and do another one again. So guys, that's it. I'd love to hear what you think, and of course, if you have any questions, please let me know.